Hi, everybody. Welcome to University 101, 7 weeks 2 session. And here I am. I'm Prof. John. I know that you received my email last week about Start Here Bottom and the introduction to our course. So this week we have week 1 of 7 weeks we have together. And here is the small tour I'm going to do every single week. So we are in the same page and we have at least the heads up of what is going on for the week and the activities and purpose of our assignments. Okay, so let me share my screen. That is screen number 2, because I have the screens here. So as you may notice here, we are on the 12 and we have a specific course for us. So our course is University 101, section 266. It's important to know which section we are because in some cases, for terms of assessment, evaluation, or to identify who is your instructor or professor as me, you have to select the corresponding section. So in this section, you have the announcements, in which I will have every single week an announcement, and the same announcement is going to be an email, a general email I will send you also in case you don't check your D12 that frequent. Surely in your email, you will find information. Also, make sure that every single assignment, every single activity we have is on Arizona time. Yeah, I know that some of you are here in the state of Arizona, somewhere or somewhere in the States, or even internationally. So just make sure to submit according the time of Arizona. Also, the calendar and the upcoming events tab are your best friends. Why the calendar? Because sometimes we have the assignments and we may forget when to submit it. The calendar tells you when you have the blue dots here, when is the last day to submit it. You can submit it in advance if you want, but there is the due date here. Also, in the upcoming events, here you have, for example, that this week you should have completed the exploring the week 1 start here for the week of the 22. So why I'm telling you this on an online course? First disclaimer of this class, this is not a self-paced course, which means you have due dates, strict due dates in order to receive the grade and the feedback to improve along the course. So make sure that you are following the instructions, the calendar, and if you have any doubt, any question, just let me know. And also use the announcements or emails I send you to be informed about the class dynamics. Okay, if we go to course home, we're gonna find the table of contents and every single module we have for this semester. We have 7 weeks, 7 modules. So you can have it as a whole, or you can click one by one. Start Here was supposed to be checked last week, but it should be completed by the end of this week. And you have the starting and end date of each week module. Make sure to follow them accordingly and plan accordingly to your semester, because I know you are busy people and all your classes have due dates. So try to plan ahead. And if you have any doubt, any question, just let me know. So if we click on Start Here, important part on Start Here, syllabus is our pedagogical contract. Read it truthfully, and if you have any questions, let me know. The percentages are there, the assignments, and the policies about the university and our course. Also, feel free to check a little about myself. I'm your instructor. I'm Jonathan Muñoz, professor, assistant professor of practice at the University of Arizona, Honors College and Office of General Education. And please call me Prof. John. It's easier and shorter. And check the specific technology you need for this class, how to have netiquette on online classroom. If you need academic support or need some technology resources, here are some instructions here. Also, for this class, we don't use a textbook. You don't have to buy any textbook. We have an open educational resource that is called YCAL Perspectives, and we have every single week a set of readings that you should complete prior completing a reflection activity. So I will let you know a little bit more about it. If we go to the table of contents in this case, and we go to week 1, what we have in week 1 is the topic of why I'm here. This is a piece of advice, maybe is common sense, but it's not that common. Then you will know along the semester that common sense is not that common. You should start from the bottom, from the top to the bottom. So this is a sequential course. You should check first all the time, start here, week overview, complete the readings of the guidelines and rubrics, read the discussion assignment instructions, watch some videos in some cases or some extra readings or extra activities, complete the syllabus quiz for this week, and the reflection would be one of the last assignments you will complete this week after completing the readings and the other activities. And finally, the discussion post for each week. We work in a prompt basis and guidelines basis, so everything has a guideline, everything has a prompt, and if something seems ambiguous, let us know. We are here to help you out with that, to clarify any question. So to simplify, let's go to start here. In start here, what we have, the learning outcomes of the week. So by the end of the week, by the end of the completion of the activities you are supposed to complete this week, you will be able to know your class names, be able to describe the purpose of the course, how this course fits in your general education program, how are your responsibilities for completing this course, and how to navigate the essential functions of D2L. Also, the reading activities are there. Syllabus, the most important part of the class, instructor information, how to contact me, who I am, how to contact me, etc. for my office hours, of course. Discussion board guidelines, weekly reflections, and all the material that is sequentially listed. So from the top to the bottom. And the assignments, basically you have a discussion board this week. And you have general questions. If you have any general question in the discussion board, take the syllabus quiz and complete the week 1 reflection. The discussion board and the week 1 should be the last assignments you complete after completing the readings. And for the readings, as you notice, I will go to the home page. I sent you some information about hypothesis. So what is the idea with hypothesis? It's an app in which we will have a collaborative reading group. Reading alone is a little bit boring, and sometimes you need some kind of inspiration or at least commitment with others to share your ideas. So what I'm gonna ask you is to have an annotation per reading. So you have, for example, in a week, you have 4 or 5 readings, one annotation, and annotation can be anything or everything in terms of, oh, this idea is important to me. Oh, this relates to a previous experience. This is gonna give you some insights for your own reflection. Knowing your own annotations and checking others' annotations will help you with this because we want reflection in the first place. And you just have to follow the instructions. And I know that most of you are already there. We haven't had the annotations yet because we just started this week. So for next week, we will have all the members of this class enrolled in the hypothesis, at least one annotation per reading, and that's all. So I will be send you this video and the announcement of this week. And if you have any question, any doubt, just let me know. I'm here to support your learning experience, to your experience at University of Arizona. And I want to show you my cat, but my cat is not there. But let me see. Sesho is here. Oh, yeah. Oh, here you have Sesho. He's my chocolate cat. So he's gonna jump sometimes in the videos. So my apologies in advance, and that's all. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your week.